Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead, and today I'm making loaded potato stew. Okay, so what I have in here is 4 potatoes. Doesn't matter what kind, I've got Yukon Gold. 4 onions. You always use as many onions as you do potatoes. A couple of cloves of garlic, salt, and pepper, and water. Now, you can use chicken broth if you want, but you know what? When I was little and money was tight, my mother could feed an entire family on potatoes and onions and milk. And we've got it on high, and we're going to let this simmer till supper time. Already the house is filling with the aroma of just potatoes and onions. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to break up, I don't know, 1/3 of a pound of sharp cheddar and just stir that in there to melt. And we are going to slow fry some bacon. Okay, now our cheese should be nicely melted in there. Oh yeah, that's what I am talking about. You want it all in there, like almost curdy and broke up. We're going to give it a shot of half and half cream. I'm going to say probably a 1/2 cup, and it wouldn't be loaded potatoes without butter. The cream replaces the sour cream. And now, my secret weapon, what my mother used to do is she used to now, at this point, she would just take the masher and she would mash the potatoes until the soup was thick. Okay, I cheat. I use Honest Earth creamy mashed potatoes because the only thing that's in there is milk, butter, and potatoes. And I'm only going to use about 1/3 of a package. That is plenty. Plenty, plenty, plenty. You make it as thick as you want. But this is going to be similar to, well, we're representing the loaded baked potato. So guess what? We wanted a little more mashed potato-like. But there's nice big chunks of potato in there. And there it is. And we will see you guys at the dinner table. That needs just a little bit more cream. This is one of Daddy's favorite soups in the winter time. And I haven't done a lot of soups this year. Loaded potato stew. Okay, watch it. It's hot, baby. Loaded potato stew.
Very thick.
Yeah, well, it's a stew, dear. It's like it mimics baked potato. Tell me, I know how to make a baked potato in a crock pot. Well, and of course, it's cheese potato stew. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. We must decorate. Do you know what's missing? Sour cream. Oh no, I put cream in it.
That's enough.
There it is.
Look at that. Looks good.
Oh, I did pepper it, you know. Well, when I cooked it. Watch it, baby. It's really hot.
Looks hot.
But is it a hot mess of goodness?
It is. Damn fine.
Thank you, dear. This is the Mrs. Volfie from our half-acre homestead. Loaded potato stew. It's where soup meets baked potato in perfect harmony. Take care. God bless.